Hello everyone, I'm Banana, and today I'm here to share some healthy tips with you. Tip 1, eat real food. Choose stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. Tip 3, exercise daily. Move your body, have of quality sleep. Today I'm here to share some healthy tips with you. Tip 1, eat real food. Choose whole, nutritious foods. Tip 2, stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. Tip 3, exercise daily. Move your body consistent, you got this. Real food, stay hydrated, and exercise daily. Sleep well and stay consistent. Small habits create happy, you got this. Lemon, nature's fat washer, cleanses your insides and outsides. It sits on your blood vessels, scrubbing away fat and plaque. Lemon detoxifies your body, leaving you lighter and healthier. Harness the power of lemon today. Natural power washes away fat and toxins. Scrub, scrub, feel that circulation improve. Boost your health naturally with lemon. Your blood vessels. This improves your blood flow and heart health. Lemon, nature's powerful fat washer. Washes away fat from insides and outsides. I scrub your blood vessels clean. It removes plaque and boosts circulation. Feel the natural power of lemon. Inside and out. It brushes away fat from your blood vessels, detoxifying and improving circulation for a healthier you. Watch it scrub away fat and plaque from your blood vessels. Time to clean house, detoxifying your body for a healthier you.
Hello! Did you know apples are great for your heart? They also help your digestion and boost your immunity. Plus, apples support weight management and give you vitamins. So eat an apple every day. Hi! Let's talk about the wonderful benefits of apples. They improve heart health and aid digestion. They also boost immunity and help with weight management. And they're packed with essential vitamins. Eat one today.
Eat apples daily. Boosts energy, improves digestion, supports heart health, speeds muscle recovery, and provides vitamins and fiber. Gains. Hey everyone, let's talk about healthy eating. Tip 1, eat nutritious foods like this orange. Oranges are packed with immune-boosting vitamin C. They're also a great source of fiber for digestion, so grab an orange and feel the difference. Hey fitness friends, let's talk about the benefits of oranges. They're packed with vitamin C, boosting your immune system. The fiber aids digestion and helps with weight management. And antioxidants reduce inflammation. Grab one today. Packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system. Plus, they give you energy, support your heart, and give you glowing skin. Add an orange to your day.
Subscribe for more healthy tips. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you everyone for the support. Eat clean and stay strong. Train hard every day. Live a healthy lifestyle.